In this video, we'll be taking you on a tour of the Hyatt Regency London Blackfriars. The hotel, which recently opened in June, resides on the former grounds of King Henry VIII's Bridewell Palace. Conveniently located across Blackfriars Station, it made it easy for us to get here from London Heathrow and get around the city. It's a short walk from St. Paul's Cathedral, Tate Modern, and Shakespeare's Globe Theatre. We couldn't wait to get to our room during this cold and rainy London evening. This beautiful, modern lobby made a great first impression as we checked in. Let's head to our room on the third floor. We are at the Hyatt Regency London Blackfriars at room 303. It's a Regency Suite High Street view. Let's check it out. So as soon as you enter, there's this long mirror and a little storage area with a safe. And let's see what it's in here. Is iron and ironing board. And this card, they show you what stuff, if you need anything, they can drop these off for you. So if you forgot something at home, you can ask for some of these, and most of them are complimentary. There's a garment bag. And if you need to do laundry. And there's also this complimentary shoe shine service if you want to use that. So just contact guest services. So there's the view of the outside. I think that's St. Paul Cathedral back there, that tower in the back. And here is the closet. It's not really a closet, it's just like an open space. And we put our bags here. There's not a lot of room to store stuff. And here's a little dining table. And as globalists, they provided us with these welcome desserts. And there's a letter for Beverly welcoming us here. Let's make our way to the bathroom. It's just a standard bathroom with a rainfall shower. A single sink. And there is the toilet. And here's this, just a freestanding TV. So they just have the stand and they put the TV on here. It's kind of weird, but it is what it is. And here's the king size bed with a little sitting area in the front. Here's the coffee and tea station. Let's see what's in this cabinet. The cups and mugs. And in here, I believe, is the coffee and tea. And a small fridge where they gave us still and sparkling water. Let's see what's in here. Just more storage. And here's another look at our view. Pretty nice view of these buildings right outside the hotel. And that is a quick tour of our room here at the Hyatt Regency London Blackfriars. NY & Lawn serves comfort food inspired by New York and London. The restaurant has an upscale environment complemented with a laid-back design and focuses on a healthy and sustainable menu. We ate here for breakfast twice during our stay. The breakfast buffet has a wide selection of items, so I'm sure most people will find something they will like. We stopped by NY on Lawn for Canape Hours from 5 to 7 p.m. We enjoyed a couple glasses of wine with appetizers and desserts, which all tasted great. The food actually made us pretty full, so we had to hold back on getting dinner until later in the evening. Leaf and Cane is a South American-inspired bar that specializes in unique handcrafted cocktails. We stopped by here one evening for a round of drinks and some appetizers. The beef quesadilla tasted just okay, but the churros were comparable to the ones we had in Mexico City, which was quite surprising. We also ordered 2 specialty cocktails, which tasted great and are the main reasons to stop by this bar. If you're craving Asian dishes, stop by the Chinese Cricket Club for classic Chinese cuisine in an elegant and inviting setting. City Lounge by the lobby offers an enticing breakfast menu, fast and fresh fare throughout the day, along with a selection of pastries, coffee, and tea. The small but modern gym has a nice free weight area and features brand new techno gym equipment. On our first night, we headed to St. Paul's Cathedral, which was a short 10-minute walk from the hotel. Millennium Bridge is a 12-minute walk, but it was closed when we stopped by. Tate Modern is a 14-minute walk. And Shakespeare's Globe Theatre is an 18-minute walk. This hotel is a good option when staying in London. Everything looks and feels brand new since it just opened in June and the staff was fantastic. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Leave any questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching and check out our other videos.